Another virus that's getting a lot of attention right now is the Zika virus. The number of cases have exploded in Central and South America, and there's increasing concerns as it begins to move north. Keith McCord went to a Utah company today that's working on finding ways to help battle this disease.
The Zika virus is spreading rapidly, and there are cases reported now in the United States. This lab in Bountiful is currently working on a process to quickly identify the virus.
They may have vaccines in trials by the end of the year, but no one realistically thinks that there's going to be a vaccine available for general use any time in the near future.
Even though the Zika virus has been around since the 1940s, it's become a big concern recently, especially because the mosquito-borne disease has caused birth defects. So the rush is on to develop a treatment for it. To be clear, Zika is particularly dangerous for pregnant women. For anyone else, the symptoms are mild.
Generally speaking, it's a very benign illness. People who have it can have fever, headache, a rash, muscle aches and joint aches, and eye inflammation.
But with no vaccines currently available, researchers are working to find ways to identify the disease more quickly, particularly in poorer countries where the outbreak is occurring. Co-Diagnostics, a small lab in Bountiful, is focused on that. Zika is closely related to other viruses such as encephalitis and West Nile, so identifying it has been tricky.
The technology we've developed that is new allows us to do things just faster and at a lower cost. And we've applied that towards the Zika virus, which very few companies have done until this point.
To be able to positively identify the disease can lead to specific treatments. The faster, the better.
Being able to identify that this is what you have and not that is the first step towards correct and accurate and prompt treatment. And that's what we hope to accomplish.
The company believes its process is sound, but it still needs government approval. Even if it's fast-tracked by regulators, it still could be months before it's in use. Keith McCord, KSL 5 News, Bountiful.
Keith.